Setting up your YouTube TV channel guide is the best way to organize your lineup so the channels you watch the most are always at the top. YouTube TV lets you customize the order, hide channels you never use, and make your guide clean and easy to navigate. Here's the simple step-by-step setup. Start by opening YouTube TV and going to the Live tab. At the top of the guide, you'll see an option labeled Sort or Live Guide. Select it, then choose Edit. This opens your full channel list in customization mode. Every channel will have a toggle switch next to it. Turn off any channels you don't want to see. This hides them from your live guide entirely. You can always re-enable them later. To reorder your channels, press and hold a channel, or use your remote's OK Select button and drag it to wherever you want. Most people move their favorites, like local networks, ESPN, or news channels, to the very top for quick access. Once you're satisfied, select Done to save your new guide layout. Your custom guide instantly replaces the default one across all devices connected to your account, including TVs, phones, tablets, and computers. If you ever want to go back to the original layout, simply return to the edit screen and choose Reset to Default. Setting up your guide takes only a minute, but it makes browsing YouTube TV faster, cleaner, and way more personalized.